Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Veronica Kamula YouTube channel, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and appreciating what I do. So guys, today we're going to make matoke. We are making matoke, green bananas za kutoka na hiyo side ya ni Uganda ama ni wapi. Yes, we're making matoke, green bananas, and these are our ingredients. As you can see, I have of course salt to taste. I have my peeled potatoes. I have 3 red and well ripe tomatoes. I have 1 capsicum ama pilipili hoho. I have 4 cloves of garlic. I have my bahari fry. Guys, 1 red onion and 10 green bananas. So guys, we're going to peel our bananas. I'm going to show you an easy way to peel your bananas. As you can see guys, you make sure you take your cooking oil, unaipaka kwa mikono yako poa. Sijui kupaka kunaitwa aje na kizungu, kunaitwa aje guys? Is it to smear? What? Anyway, I don't know guys. So make sure you do as you can see what I'm doing. Make sure you do that, and then after your hands umezipaka mafuta poa, unachukua salt yako unaweka kwa maji, unaweka a lot of salt. Mimi nimeweka tu kadogo, but unaweka a lot of salt to avoid bananas zako zisikae black. Sijui kama unaonanga sometimes when you peel your green bananas, ukishaziweka kwa maji, by the time you cook them zishakuwa black. I don't know. So unawekanga salt to avoid that. So this is the easiest way to peel your bananas. Unakata hapa mbele, alafu unakata hapo nyuma, and then you take your knife, unakata hivyo vile unaona nikikata. Usikate ufikie banana, no, unakata tu the green part, unakata hiyo the peel peke yake, hiyo vile unaona nikikata guys. And then after umemaliza kukata, unaweka kisu yako chini, and then you use your hands vile unaona. Doing this guys, it helps you kufanya hii process faster. As you can see, that is what you're going to do, so that you avoid wasting time while peeling your green bananas. So guys, let's keep peeling our bananas, and when we are done, I'll be back to show you how to cook these yummy classy green bananas ama matoke. So you light up your gas vile unaona nikifanya, and then unaekelea sufuria yako and you let it dry. And then after drying guys, you take your cooking oil, unaongezea hapa, unaweka mafuta tu kiasi. We are going to wait for our mafuta ikuwe moto kabisa, if we are deep frying our bananas, but we are not really deep frying them. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do it. You are not supposed to put a lot of oil as if you are deep frying. No, unaweka tu mafuta kiasi vile unaona yangu nimeweka. Si unaona ijaja sufuria, just medium, iko tu hapo mafuta kidogo, and then you take your bananas, unaongeza hapo ndani kwa mafuta. Guys, my bananas zimekuwa tu na tule to purchase for black because sikuweka salt enough. You're supposed to put a lot of salt kwa maji yenye unapilia bananas, so that to avoid these black spots. So you make sure you put all of your bananas hapo kwa hiyo mafuta, and you let them cook for about 5 minutes, so that to remove that taste yenye inakuanga ya bananas. Kuna taste ya duku hapo ya bananas. I don't know whether you guys will feel it or I'm the only one who feels it, but there is a very weird taste inakuanga hapo kwa green bananas if you feel to fry them the way I'm doing. So let's fry them and wait for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. You add a little bit of salt, salt tu kadogo ndio zikook na salt, usiku unaonja bananas zako, and then you fill they are tasteless because haukuweka mafuta. Guys, as I told you before, I don't use spices on my food. I make sure that my food is natural as possible. Keep stirring your bananas. Usiache ziive side moja, una keep ukizitantan ndio zisiungue. After about 5 minutes ukishaona bananas zako zishatan zikakaa this color, now you remove them. Unazima gas yako and then you start removing them from the oil. Unaziweka kando. I'm gonna show you the next step. Keep tuned guys, don't go anywhere. We're going to use the same oil to fry our matokes. You add in your chopped red onions, as you can see, and then you wait for them to brown. Make sure you brown your onions ndio zikuwe na that a good taste, you know. Before kitunguu yako brown kabisa, it's time to add in your garlic. Unaongezea garlic yako hapo. Garlic tunawekanga after kitunguu imeiva to avoid it kuungua, as you can see. Zikishaiva hivyo sasa, you add in your potatoes. You are adding in your potatoes. And then you mix them well. Now you add in your salt. Unakoroga vile unaona. After ukishazi mix poa, unachukua lid yako, unazifunikia and you let them cook na low heat. After around 5 minutes, unafunua, unaeka pilipili hoho yako ama capsicum. You add it there. And then you stir. Unastir vizuri and then unazifunikia hoho ziive. Ukisha notice hoho zako zimeiva poa, unachukua your blended tomatoes. Guys, I told you that I prefer blending my tomatoes because zinatoanga thick soup, and at this point we need thick soup because of our matokes, of course. Matoke bila thick soup si matoke, guys. So unaongezea your tomato puree and then you let it cook. Nilikwambia unajuanga kama your tomato puree imeiva, ukiangalia hivi uone imeshaanza kukua bright red, imeacha kukua ile dark red, imeanza kukua bright red. Hapo ndio unajuanga your tomatoes are ripe. Na kama uja blend your tomatoes, unaweka at this point na unafunika, you let them cook. Now at this point, ukisha notice that your tomatoes have already cooked, unachukua your matokes, unazieka hapo ndani ya soup yako, zina mix na waru zako. And then you mix them so well because our matokes had already cooked for about 5 minutes. Ni kama zishaiva already. Matoke huiva haraka sana, so zishaiva. Tunazieka tu hapo ndo ziblend na nini na ile soup yetu na our potatoes and then our other spices. Zile ni hoho, vitunguu and the salt. Unazifunikia for about 2 minutes and then unaongezea dania yako to garnish them so they are ready. Guys, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you do so because I am about to bring you more recipes, more pranks, more discussions, more udakus, a lot of content. I'm about to bring it to you guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, you like, you comment, you share, and you tell me whether you tried this matoke and how did it come out. Did it come out like mine or not? So guys, I love you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you like, you comment and share, and the most important thing is to turn on that notification bell so that anytime I get to upload any new video, you get to be notified. Bye guys, till the next video. Before I forget guys, you can serve your matoke with some chele, rice or some chapos. Guys, hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Now for real, bye, adios.